Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll talk a little, okay? Alright, bye. Hey. So, fuck.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Sorry, take this.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm sorry, it's just that I turned and you were all like,
Yeah.
you were looking so...
So?
Are you okay?
Buenos dias, muchacho.
I'm not Spanish.
Me neither. Oh my god. Where are you from?
I'm Italian.
Literally the same, like
Yeah.
cousins.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Yeah. What can I do you?
Excuse me?
That did not sound right. I don't mean can I do, what can I do you?
Easy.
Doesn't sound right.
Easy, Tiger. It's okay.
Oh, sorry, that was a lot. Oh, fuck me.
What? Are you okay?
No, don't fuck me. Don't, I said fuck me, but I don't mean fuck me. I mean fuck me as in, like, you know, when people are like, oh my god, fuck me, and
Yeah.
yeah, unless you yeah.
Excuse me? Yeah? What? May I have a number?
Oh my god, yes. He wants my number.
Number 4, please.
No cheese.
Number 4.
Yes.
Oh, I love number 4.
Yeah.
No cheese.
Yeah, no cheese. Yeah.
No one likes cheese anyway. Number 4, no cheese.